Right, so let's have a quick look round the middle aisle at Lidl for some of the tools, the Parkside stuff. Little Caterpillar out there, $7.99. Keep your ears warm. Socket set. Looks alright, doesn't it? You know, just have a look up for the prices, guys, because I can't just get them all in. So I'm just doing my best with the videos I'm going round. It's better than looking in a leaflet, innit? You know, when you get a video like this, you can sort of gauge what's in. Now, I'm in the Lidl at Langley Mill in Derbyshire. I know some of you guys are saying there's nothing when you go in your Lidls. But in here, it always seems quite well stocked. They look decent, them little paint sort of rollers and stuff like that. The paints, I've showed this once before. You know, for touching up, you want to just paint a wall white, go over it. Just painting a room. This sprayer looks interesting again. HVLP. $22.99 with a little app. Socket set, 70 quid. Is that overpriced? I don't know. I don't know what these sort of things go for now. Always look through these little sort of tool bins. There's always a useful tool to be had in there. You know, might be a pair of pliers. You might just need that $2.99. It might be just worth getting a couple, putting in your toolbox. Now, I've seen these floating about everywhere. They look sort of interesting, and I've seen versions of different manufacturers that are a lot more money than that. So if any of you guys have got one of them, let us know. More drills, driver type sets. Always handy. I hope you can see them prices okay. It's a bit difficult with the shining. These gloves look really good. They look really good quality. Now, I didn't buy some. I should have got some while I were in here. Wall anchor assortments. You know, maybe get a few of them in, because you just never know when you need them. The plasma cutter, $89.99 with the little app. Now, I don't know much about this, so again, drop it in the comments. Now, I've got one of these. I've got two, actually. I've got one like this, and I've got one like that, and I use it already, and I can vouch for them. I paid $9.99 for them each. That's what they are. And they are quite good for the money, to be honest with you, sorry. The wet and dry vac. I don't need no more vacuums. I've got enough sort of dust collection and that kind of stuff. And I've just got one sent to me, which I'll be doing a review, which, you know, it's totally different to what we're all using. It'll be an interesting watch out for that video. Make sure you're subscribed. The Parkside Performance range, there's more and more of this coming in. And it's supposed to be really good. I've got a Parkside Performance thing I've got to do a review on. You know, I bought it. These things here for your multi-tool. You know, okay. If you just need an hammer drill for occasional use, $17.99. You're not going wrong with that, are you? Tapes. This is another thing I should have picked up, but I can't keep buying tools and bits and pieces. I'm just filling the place up with stuff. Insulated flasks, food flasks, £6.99 each. The drill bit sharpener, I've heard some good and bad reviews about that. Let me know, guys, what you think if you've got one, because it'll let other guys know who have got one. Multi-tool, $19.99. Again, looks a really good price. Now, these look really good, these paintbrushes. There's sort of a couple of different types of sets there, but they do look really good. For the price, I don't think you're going to go wrong with them. That's the other set. You know, if you're into your sort of painting and that kind of thing, paintbrush set, 17 pieces, $6.99. Laser distance measurer. 3M packing tape. You know it's going to be good tape if it's 3M. Various sprays. Puncture repair spray. High temperature paint. $3.99 a tin. And these sort of adhesives and sort of mounted adhesive, tile adhesive, filler, grout repair. Pry bar set there. Is it a good price? I think it is, but, you know, you let me know. Why Parkside slippers? Why? Just why? I don't understand it. Men's lined work trousers. Now, when I had a feel of them, the quality looked... they felt really good, the quality. I'll be honest with you, they really did feel good quality. Again, these little bins with you know, little tools in. Always have a look through them. $2.49. Fleeces. A belt if you want one. Just bought a belt as well. I'd have had one of them. Now this bench pillar drill with electronic speed control. I've got the Bosch PD40, which looks a little bit like that, to be honest, but I don't know what this one's like. $79.99. The price is all right, but what's the performance like? Tape assortments, again, more tape, 3M brand. Cut grinding disc, cordless hammer drill. Again, there's a sort of... I'm trying to get you all the prices here. Cordless impact driver, 20 volt. Vaseline spray. What's that all about? Multi-tool. I think I just showed you that, didn't I? Multi-tool. You must have a load of multi-tools, $19.99. More of these little tubs with bits and pieces in. Always have a route through them. They might be just something that's sort of always handy to have. 99p. And then these are bigger sets here. And they are $2.99. If you want your batteries, you get them at checkout. Sort of gives you the price there. They've got them at checkout for obvious reasons. You know, you better watch out. There's always a thief about, isn't there? Chipboard screws, $4.99 a box. I've been told they're decent. Specialist bits here. Don't know what them two are like, but them are rubbish. I've had them. Masking tape, $2.99 for a pack. More vacuum cleaners here, wet and dry. $39.99, that one. Some rope. Multi-purpose rope. Suppose it's okay, innit? Rope can be expensive. Laminate flooring kit. Sort of starter kit, really, isn't it? DIY jobby, isn't it? But $9.99. Wall battery holders. I think that's for... I'm not sure whether that's just for Parkside batteries. I'm not sure. So just double check on that. These, again, I'm going to buy a couple while I'm here. A couple of sets of these. Always handy to have. At $2.99, a little pack. Might as well get them while I'm here. Folding step ladders. Right, guys, I think that's it, and I'll see you on the next one.